Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Here on the VeChain chart, we are tracking a potential 1-2 setup still, even though this wave 2 is very, very deep. And we nearly have an invalidation of this 1-2 setup. That, however, wouldn't necessarily be a big problem because the price is still holding above key support for the bullish scenario. So we're currently witnessing how the price is trying to turn around from a local downtrend back into a local uptrend. However, you can see that clearly the market has only been moving sideways since the 20th of December low. Now, we haven't seen a break of support, or no break of support, but also no break of the 20th of December low. Some coins have actually done that, like AVAX. I just made a video about AVAX. AVAX broke that 20th of December low. Not a major disaster, Also here, support is still holding for AVAX. If I remember correctly, DOT also broke that 20th of December low. Bit more on the weaker side, whereas VeChain is a bit stronger. If we compare it, I'd say VeChain is kind of average at the moment. Like Doge was a bit stronger, holding a bit higher with that swing low here. Some coins broke that slightly, but they're all holding support. So we don't really have any, let's say, major or significant invalidations. The idea is that, obviously here, this wave 4 bottomed there on the 20th of December. We can go with that at the moment. And then we have a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. That third wave could be underway now, but I need to see more price action. The microstructure from the low is not terribly clear. Now, in the short-term bullish scenario, the move up was a wave 1. Clearly super messy. So wave 1 could be an ABC structure, and this whole thing is a diagonal pattern. It is completely messy. I can even say maybe this was a wave 1, and then the A wave itself was a flat correction. Then we had a B wave rally. Completely, completely messy, really. So I'm not very confident in this 1-2 setup, but the invalidation point is clear. And what we now need to see is a break above this last swing high, which formed at around 4.7 cents. This green line, I want that broken. I will remove the price channel from the chart. We don't need that anymore. But that's essentially what it needs to do, breaking above it. If the B wave really topped there in January, then the move down is like a 5-wave decline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 waves down in C of 2. And then I'm now waiting to see if something more bullish unfolds from here. I really find it too early to add a support zone. Like, we could call that maybe a 1-2 setup, but many other coins are much further ahead, it seems. And some of them have broken above this previous high, like Doge, for example. I really can't identify a 5-wave move. I mean, if I really want to, on the micro level, maybe like 1, 2. But what is this? It's just not very clear. So it's best to just highlight, okay, look, this low now needs to hold. I mean, that would be, that's an absolute key level that needs to hold, the 4 cent level. And if I can identify a bit more of a microstructure there, and if we form a higher low, it forms a higher low, and then breaks out above the high and the green line at 4.7 cents, then I assume a low is in. At the moment, it's just a bit too early to tell. But if a low forms in this region, or even already formed, then the third wave should reach minimally the 1.38 Fibonacci extension. So minimally, so ideally a bit higher. But that 1.38 extension is located at 5.97 cents. Yeah, but ideally even a bit higher. Then we get the wave 4 pullback afterwards, and the wave 5. And the wave 5 should reach like 1 or 2 Fibonacci levels higher than the third wave. So again, in summary, I'm not convinced yet that this yellow wave 2 bottomed there. It is possible, absolutely. I'm quite neutral about it. Ultimately, what we need to see is that the price doesn't break below 3.3 cents. And to confirm an upside reversal, we want the price to break above that last swing high here at 4.7 cents. So that is needed. And then move towards the 6 cent mark. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.